नहमदुहु नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Today we want to discuss the growth. What is growth? There are so many definitions about growth, and sometimes the people consider it development. Increase in size and body is called growth. Sometimes the pupil age are increasing, so this is called growth in age. But sometimes if you grow the tree in a field, their size increasing, this is called also a growth. But sometimes the industry multiply in the country and the production also increasing, this is called the economic growth. So there are so many definitions of the growth, but really now we come to that point, what is growth? So please ready and listen this lecture in attentive manner, and through this way you will know what is growth and how growth affect the development. The process of increasing in size is called growth. Growth refers to the increase in mass and size of body is called growth. Growth is defined as a gradual development in maturity, age, size, weight, height. An example of growth is a wild teenage girl becoming much calmer in her late 20s. Growth is just getting bigger, whereas development is improvement. Growth can be explained as becoming bigger, larger, or having more importance. Growth is termed as physical change, whereas development is said to be physical as well as social or psychological change. The type of growth are as under: bounded growth, economic growth, exponential growth, hyperbolic growth, inorganic growth, linear growth, logarithmic growth. So now you are clear. There you will see the type of different growth. For example, if you supply some input to the field, and when we increase the supply in a systematic way 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 units, through this way the growth also systematically increase. This is called linear growth. The term growth refers to increase in physical size of the body and development, increase in scale and function. Growth and development are considered together because the child grows and develops simultaneously. Now come to real side conclusion. The size increasing of body of anything is called growth, while when it creates positive change in short and long run in society and country is called development. There the improvement in social well-being is occur. There people unsatisfied situation change in satisfied situation. The power of the community increasing day by day. So when these things occur, this is called development. Now we go to growth and development. If there some growth occur in society, they increase the development. But sometimes there some growth of something occur, they create a problem, and they negatively affect the economy and development. Among, for example, if the diseasable number of the person in area increasing, automatically they affect the growth negatively. But on the other side, if the middle road kilometers number increasing in the area, automatically it play a great role in economic growth, in marketing and development. So they improve the socio-economic condition of the community. Through this way, a positive change occur in socio-economic condition of the people. But on the other side, if you multiply the institution of education in the area, automatically the number of students increasing, and when the number of students increasing, so we provide skill, and that skill they then use in day-to-day life in different sector of the economy, and they earn more and they increase the growth of GDP. Through this way, the GDP growth increasing and the pupil socio-economic condition also improve. So the last one is the development. So growth may be positively linked or negatively linked with the development. But the government try how to do the normal growth and society to improve the socio-economic condition of the people. Now you are clear that what is growth. There is economic growth, more output is called economic growth. If the more output come in society, automatically they affect the society positively and improve socio-economic condition of the people, and through this way prosperity come and the society go uplifting, and their social structure also changes positively. So there the development size also increasing. So this is called also growth. Development is a long run process, but growth is a short run process, and growth affect the development of society in short run as well as in long run. So when you go to rural area, there in different size and different sector of the economy, the things are increasing or decreasing. For example, there the number of animal increasing, this is called economic growth. There the number of motor increases, this is called economic growth. And there the production per acre increasing, this is called also the economic growth. And their facility increasing of the health services, this is also called the growth. But sometimes the growth of something increasing which damage the society negatively. So growth may be positive or negative, it not must be positively related with the development. For example, if you go to hilly area, particular Waziristan area, before there the militancy number day by day were increased, so they have affect the area very seriously, and they affect the economic growth of that area. They run away from that area, and their animal were there, and they live as like jungle. So through this way, the economic growth of the country of Pakistan negatively affected. For example, when the people were there, they were rear their animal, and they get the milk, and they get the ghee from their animal, and they have land, so they cultivate the land, and through this way they increase the output of their field. But after militancy this is the factor which have affect the economy of Waziristan negatively. But this Waziristan is included in the Pakistan, and if the Waziristan has affect the economy of KPK, and KPK have indirectly affect the economy of the Pakistan, and Pakistan indirectly affect the economy of the world. So it was a small and short lecture about growth which I have shared with you. Please listen this video and also subscribe this channel, and also share this video among your colleagues and in the world. Through this way, the knowledge will be go there, and they will get this knowledge, and they will apply in the field, and through this way they will also improve their socio-economic condition. Pakistan Zindabad, KPK Zindabad, Agriculture University Zindabad. زمانم دے ڈاکٹر نوشاد خان او زه مطلب دا دی اگریکلچر یونیورسٹی کې از اسسٹنٹ پروفیسر کار کوم. خو زما دا یو تیم دی چې زه څه وګورم او څه دغه کوم چې خپل سټوډنټانو سره هم شیر کړم، بلکې د ټول ورلډ یا د ټول مطلب دا دی عوامو سره دا زه شیر کړم چې دی څه نه څه دوی ته پته ولګي چې یاره ګروث څه ته وایي، اکنامک ګروث څه شیز دی، او بیا مطلب د ډیولپمنټ څه شیز دی، او دین علاوه نور داسې څه دغه وي چې دا څه دي. والسلام.